Welcome to Taiji's Kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make Zunda and also Zunda Shake. So if you're not from Japan, you probably never heard of this dish because this is a very regional dish of Miyagi Prefecture up in the north. And also even in Japan, many people didn't know about this, but I don't know, like 5 years ago or so, a famous coffee chain made a shake out of this. But Zunda is originally to go with a mochi. And when I say mochi, it's not the same as what you may think what mochi is. Mochi with filling, we call them daifuku mochi, but instead mochi is a very glutinous rice. And I've already made a video on mochi, but this is also another topping for that, which is made from edamame. For those who don't know, edamame is these green beans. I've already made side dishes videos of edamame, but this is also another variation and it's a sweet. So I hope you give this a try yourself and enjoy this. Then, let's get started. Here are the ingredients for Zunda mochi or Zunda dango and also Zunda shake. As the main ingredients, I have these frozen edamame beans. These are exactly the same as soybeans, just that it's harvested early before it gets ripe. Outside Japan, it's not easy to get it fresh, but in many Asian stores, you can buy these frozen. And they're also sold peeled, but from my experience, they tend to lose a little bit of flavor. And I would advise you to get these frozen in pods like this, if that's possible. And for the dango, I'll be using two kinds of rice flours. One is regular rice flour, and then the other is glutinous rice flour. So what's the difference, you may ask? The regular rice flour is from the regular Japanese sticky rice. These glutinous rice flour, or sometimes called Mochiko, is flour of mochi rice. Mochi rice has much higher starch content. That's why it's so sticky and gooey when it gets cooked. And for today, for the dango, I'll be using both of these. And for the Zunda sauce, I'll be using sugar, a little bit of salt, and then for the Zunda shake, I'll be using a little milk and also just regular vanilla ice cream. Then let's get into it. So the first thing I'm going to do is defrost this. You can put it in a microwave, but if you have time, just leave it in room temperature. That way you won't lose any flavor. Then let's get these out of the pods. Push it out like this, and they'll come out very easily like this. So then this is finished. This looks so beautiful. This is about 100 grams of edamame beans. And for that you need a little bit under 200 grams of edamame with pods. So make sure you have enough for that. Then as the next thing, I need to peel off this edamame beans. So these edamame beans in a very thin coating like this. And then we want to separate this like this. So then this is finished. Then as the next thing, using a food processor like this, or if you have a blender, you can use that. We're gonna make that Zunda topping. And then here we're gonna put in the peeled edamame beans, just about 100 grams. And for that, I'm gonna put in 1 tablespoon of sugar. If you wanna make it more sweeter, you can put more. If you wanna make it a little less sweeter, you can also put less sugar. It's really a preference thing. And then a little bit of salt, just about 4 teaspoons, just like that much. Then we're gonna blend this. Every now and then put the side in the middle like this. Then we're gonna keep mixing. So once this got into small pieces like this, then this is finished. Then this is finished for the Zunda topping. So as the next thing, let's make the dango. So more detailed explanation on dango, please watch my other video on that. But today I'm just gonna go really quickly. Or you can of course also use mochi for this as well. For the regular dango, I'm gonna put 3 to 4 to 5 ratio of regular rice flour to mochiko to water. So for the regular rice flour, I'm gonna put 15 grams. And next, 20 grams of glutinous rice flour. The next, 25 grams of water. Okay, perfect. And let's mix this up. Depending on your humidity and the room temperature, you might need a little bit more water. So today I think I need a little bit more water for this. So just kind of try giving a little by little more water. And the consistency you're looking for is kind of like very soft clay. In Japan, we say that it should be about the same consistency as your earlobe. Try to feel your earlobe, and then if it's about the same, then it's good. Just about this kind of consistency. Then for this, I'm gonna make 4 balls. First, you want to make a small bowl like this, and then squish it a little bit so it gets cooked easily. So just like that. So then let's cook this in boiling water. I'm gonna wait until it comes to the surface, and then from there I'm gonna cook 5 minutes or so. I think this is ready, so then let's take these out. Then I'm going to take it in water like this and let it cool for a couple minutes. So on this, we're gonna put the Zunda topping. So just like that, this is finished. So the last thing is to make the Zunda Shake. So in a container, I'm gonna put 100 milliliter or 100 gram of milk. Then here I'm gonna put about 2 tablespoons of this Zunda mixture. Then here I'm gonna put about 2 to 3 scoops of vanilla ice cream. Then using a mixer like this, I'm gonna mix this up. Let's put this in a glass. This looks good, and then this is finished. And then with that, both Zunda Mochi and Zunda Shake are finished. Now let's eat. Okay, let's eat. Itadakimasu. Okay, let's start with this Zunda Mochi. Itadakimasu. Of course, this chewy dango dough is really delicious. And this Zunda doesn't have a very strong flavor, but has this subtleness, and this umami of the edamame is just really subtle, but yet so rich in flavor. Itadakimasu. Then let's drink this Zunda Shake. Itadakimasu. I think you can add a little more Zunda to this, but this is really delicious. And surprisingly, this edamame and the milk is a really good match. Really good. Oh, they were both so delicious. ごちそうさまでした. Oh, they were both so good. So as you saw, making this Zunda paste is really not that difficult. If you're looking for something new idea for some new sweets, some Japanese sweet, then this is perfect for that. This Zunda Mochi is strictly vegan, and for the Zunda Shake, instead of using whole milk and ice cream, you can use soy milk, and you can also make that vegan as well. And so if you want to try some new sweets, then this is perfect for that. So I really do hope you give this a try yourself. If you enjoyed this video, I'd love it if you hit the like button for me. And if you have any questions or requests or any feedbacks, please feel free to write anything in the comments below. And if you want to see more of these videos, please subscribe. Otherwise, I look forward to see you in the next video. Bye.